Hi everyone! Welcome to Pumpunan. For today's vlog, I am going to Pumpunan Church of San Antonio of the Padua. Let's go guys! Ang Pumpunan Church o kilala bilang San Antonio de Padua ay tinayo noong 1995. Ito ay isang mahalagang simbahan na nagsisilbing sentro ng pananampalataya para sa mga Katoliko o Roman Catholic. Known as a miraculous saint because of his birth in this parish in Pumpunan at Baybay, Leyte. Many people who comes because of beliefs of his miraculous birth, and the most them are students who will take an exam and every 13th of month, a traditional practice since the early 70s. This is the most visiting pilgrimage site in Eastern Visayas. And we have also a wishing well of Mama Mary. Saan mo gaga? At ito din ang magagandang tanawin ng Barangay Pumpunan.